Hi, Assalamualaikum and good day to our lecturer, Dr. Muhammad Zulkifli bin Abdullah. We are from Group 4 would like to present our research proposal on financial behavior and problems among university students. Our group consists of 5 members, which is me, Nur Sarah binti Nur Syam, Amra Zohila Zakaria, Nur Akila Muhammad, Azza Azmima Anwar, and Ahmad Faiz bin Maribi.
Hi, hello everyone. My name is Nakila binti Muhammad. According to Kelvin John Jacobs in 2018, financial behavior is mostly defined by one identity, desire, knowledge, performance, achievement, personal attribute, significant, and psychology factor. Personal financial management can also be related to financial behavior. Financial management affects people from all ages, from children who rely on their parents' income to senior citizens who are dealing with the implication of their retirement planning decision. Many students rely on student loans such as PTPTN or MARA to help them pay for their education. Failure to use the loan correctly leads to additional borrowing and financial trouble for the student.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Safia. So now let me explain on the background of the study. So financial trouble occurs when money problems cause stress, and this issue happens among university students too. According to a large study of university students, many are concerned about their finance, struggle to balance employment and studies, and a substantial number of students skip essentials such as food. Additionally, 94% of students engaging in research need external money such as student loans and scholarships to sustain their academic life. Some had even registered in degrees without having financing guaranteed, causing their days to be occupied by financial worries. Hence, financial literacy is essential in assisting young people to manage their money effectively, and they may become financially secure, create assets, and fulfill their personal objective.
For research objective, we have 3, which the first one is to investigate the relationship between financial awareness on financial issues among university students. The next one is to investigate the relationship between financial knowledge on financial issues among university students. The last one is to investigate the relationship between financial management on financial issues among university students.
Okay, now we move to research question. We use 3 questions in our research. The question is there a relationship between financial awareness, second, financial knowledge, and third, financial management on financial issue among university students? Significance of the study. First, financial problem can affect student mental, physical, relationship, and overall quality life. Students under stress tend to pay less attention on their studies and impact their exam result. Next, those who learn well their financial lifestyle can understand their financial situation.
College students may experience a variety of financial problems, from poor financial management to not having enough savings for unexpected needs. If students are unprepared, they may find themselves in financial hardship and struggle to make ends meet. Thus, in order to overcome financial hardship, it is crucial for students to determine the factors that have the greatest influence on this issue.
Our dependent variable is financial problem among university students. University students have recently faced financial problem, and this has become a serious issue for them. According to Baker in 2015, nearly 40% of millennials overspend to keep with their friends. Youth generation reckless spending or obtaining a luxurious lifestyle and following fashion brand causes that financial problem become.
Discussion on independent variable. For financial awareness, financial literacy education is crucial because it equips students with the knowledge and ability to efficiently manage their money for a lifetime on financial security. For financial knowledge, basic financial knowledge to ensure sufficient along their study life. For financial management, students need to educate themselves about financial management to avoid any debt during their study.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Samira Zaila binti Zakaria, and I will present about the relationship between financial awareness, financial knowledge, and financial management towards financial issues among university students. So first is what the relationship between financial knowledge and financial problems among university, which we can say that a student should be taught the principles of saving and investing as a separate subject in schools and universities. It can provide people knowledge, skills, and confidence they need to take control of their life and create a more secure future for the family. Besides, financial literacy is crucial because it teaches young people which action can result in bankruptcy. If they are aware of this, it will be simple of them to recognize the behavior that will cost them money. Secondly is the relationship between financial awareness and financial problem among students. College students need to be more knowledgeable than ever on the costs associated with paying for higher education given the escalating cost of tuition. Some college students work part-time jobs to supplement their income and pay for necessities like food, electricity, rent, and transportation. However, finding the perfect balance between their academic and professional lives can be challenging, and many students have trouble doing so. Lastly is the relationship between financial management and financial problem among students. We have to admit many young consumers don't keep track of their costs and are therefore ignorant of their long-term losses. Teenagers who use systems like net banking or others that are comparable, for instance, keep better track of their spending than those who make purchases offline without recording. So in that case, Generation Z has to learn that good money management goes beyond only attempting to stay out of debt.
Moving on to research framework. In research, the IV is a variable that is changed to see how it affects something else, whereas the DV is a variable that is being measured or observed. As for our study, the goal is to look at the relationship between financial awareness, financial knowledge, and financial management in terms of financial issues. As a result, the study's goal is to identify the factors associated with financial issues among university students.
Financial awareness depends upon one's knowledge and bringing surrounding background and the economy of financial situation. Therefore, H1, there is a significant relationship between financial awareness and financial issues among students in university. Financial knowledge is the core of the monetary control, especially among the student. Therefore, H2, there is a significant relationship between financial knowledge and financial issue among the student in university. Money management practice can be challenging as students are in need to maintain adequate lifestyle in college. Therefore, H3, there is significant relationship between financial management and financial issues among students in university.
Right now, the slide shows planning for data analysis for our research. Counsel research is our purpose of study. For type of investigation is counsel relationship. The counsel relationship is used in this study because it will help us determine whether independent variable has cause and effect link with the dependent variable in some way. Our estate of research interface is minimal. Meanwhile, our study setting is not contrived. The unit of our analysis is the individual who are the part-time student in UiTM Shah Alam. For time horizon is cross-sectional because it draws only one sample of respondents from the specific population. Population under investigation comprise of the part-time students from UiTM Shah Alam. They are fit into the scope of study because they have the characteristic of the student who pay for their tuition fee, living maintenance such as food, clothes, accommodation, besides stationery and transportation. For sampling technique, this study used a non-probability sampling technique, which is stratified random sampling from part-time students in UiTM Shah Alam. For the survey instrument, we use questionnaire which have 4 sections: Section A, Section B, Section C, and the Section D.
There are 5 stages in data analysis using SSPS. The first stage of analyzing the data is to detect any missing values or incomplete responses. The second stage involves interpreting the demographic data presented by questionnaire respondents. The third stage is to ensure that the data normality, and the fourth stage is to establish the data's reliability. The last step is to calculate the mean square and standard deviation, which is then used to analyze the connection between IBs and DV using Bayesian correlation and regression. The first step is data cleaning. The missing value analysis for our study is shown in table 4.2. According to the results, our data has no missing values, which is 0%. As a result, there is no need to record the data first, and we have decided to proceed with the data analysis. Next is profile of respondents. We have received total of 103 respondents from the part-time students in UiTM Shah Alam. According to our data, most of our respondents are female, which contribute 67% in our questionnaire. Meanwhile, students with age 30 years old and above contribute the highest percentage, which is 35%. Next, our questionnaire has been answered the most by students from other programs that is not in the list, which they contribute 42.7%. Moreover, 66% of the respondents are recipients of higher education funding such as PTPTN and scholarship. And the last one is 61.2% of our respondents are full-time employed.
So there's three tables over here. Relationship between financial awareness and financial issues shows positive significant relationship, and the strength of the relationship is moderate. Relationship between financial knowledge and financial issues shows positive significant relationship, and the strength of relationship also moderate. Last, relationship between financial management and financial issues shows positive significant relationship, and the strength of relationship is weak.
So, as we can see, the table shows that all the independent variables, which is financial management, financial awareness, and financial knowledge, together explain 15.2% of the variance. In final issues, another 84.4% of the variance is explained by other variables. Next, we look at regression coefficient, which estimate and describe the relationship between a predictor variable and the response. So, based on the table, this concludes that financial knowledge make the strongest contribution to explain the financial issue, when the variance explained by all other variables in the model is controlled for. This shows that all the independent variables, which financial management and financial awareness and also financial knowledge, together explain 15.2% of the variance in financial issue. Another 84.4% of the variance is explained by other variables.
Analysis of IV and DV. For financial issues, the highest analysis is students are worried with their financial resources. The lowest is students always borrow some money from their friends. For financial awareness, the highest students are acknowledge the importance of manage financial and create a budget. The lowest is financial assistance from other organizations like Baitul Mal or PTPTN can help students overcome their financial problem.
Meanwhile, for financial knowledge, the highest mean belong to I believe financial literacy is an important component in good financial behavior for today and the future. And for the lowest mean was related to my financial capability includes skill learning through financial literacy, but also provide with the skill and information need to access financial institution, product and market. Lastly, for financial management, I believe good financial management helps students in budgeting their income has the highest mean, and for the lowest mean was related to without loan. I believe students will find other sources to pay their college fee.
So, based on the data described in Chapter 1 and research hypothesis developed in Chapter 2, this section of the study examines the findings and outcomes of the result analysis and respond to the research question. So first, is there any relationship between financial awareness and financial issue? So based on the findings of RQ1, the coefficient is not statistically significant. Thus, hypothesis shows that there is a moderate positive significant relationship between financial awareness and financial issue. So the second one, is there any relationship between financial knowledge and financial issue? So based on the findings of RQ2, the coefficient is statistically significant. This means that understanding financial issues is best explained by financial knowledge. And the last one is there any relationship between financial management and financial issue? So based on findings RQ3, the coefficient is not statistically significant. Thus, hypothesis shows that there is a moderate positive significant relationship between financial management and financial issue.
Alright, so the finding for hypothesis 1 is not supported where there is non-significant relationship between financial awareness and financial issues among students. This answers the research objective 1 and research observation 1. Next, the finding for hypothesis 2 is supported where there is significant relationship between financial knowledge and financial issues among a student. This answers the objective 2 and research question 2. Last, the finding for hypothesis 3 is not supported where there is non-significant relationship between financial management and financial issues among students. This answers the research objective 3 and research question 3. That's all for our presentation. Thank you very much.